is designed to integrate seamlessly into Industry 4.0 manufacturing with advanced connectivity and performance. Industry-leading speed and accuracy paired with reliable synchronization of your manufacturing and engineering systems. Experience Cleco's most advanced cordless nutrunner with CellTek. Uses a state-of-the-art antenna with dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to keep your line online and running. CellTek keeps the rundown information and work instructions consistently flowing to your network with fast refresh rates with every pull of the trigger. To minimize your hardware and budget requirements, up to 16 tools via Wi-Fi or 10 tools via Bluetooth will pair to one Cleco M-Pro controller. Are designed for safety-critical applications that demand the most critical tolerances be sustained. Failure to tighten a safety-critical bolt correctly can cause injury or death. Industry-leading accuracy to ensure even the most advanced tightening is accomplished within your requirements, offering a CMK value of 1.67 at plus or minus 7%. You can be assured each joint is hitting the torque bullseye and have confidence to stand with your product. For rundowns needing an additional level of confidence, Cleco offers the gyroscope, barcode scanners, and location tag accessories designed to further remove variability from the tightening process. It is a lightweight, balanced tool designed to keep operators comfortable and productive. This is accomplished through the streamlined design with efficient motors, compact gear trains, and the range of lightweight batteries that can be paired for your specific needs. Combined with efficient spiral cut bevel gearing and advanced transducers. Simple icon-based user interface, programming a CellTek for standalone mode or controller pairing has a fast learning curve. This icon-based user interface is used across Cleco's cordless portfolio, making the user experience consistent. The innovative Stay Alive function prevents reboot during battery change, gaining time and efficiency. Drive productivity, space efficiency, and cost savings by connecting up to 16 tools to one controller. Programs up to 10 rundown strategies and lets you use the tool independently without a controller.